Okay, now we'll discuss about patch tool. Okay, just go our Photoshop. Okay, just this is patch tool. Click here. We want to hide this. Remove. Just click there. Buzz. You just click there. Finish. Just click there. You just click there. Finish. And just click like this. Just finish. Okay, then again you have to click there. Then you just remove this. Sorry. Okay, anyway, if it's not going, we have solution. Okay, you just, where is the link brush tool? History, no, this one. You just note this one, yeah. You just click there and alter press. Okay, then come here, click there, click there, click there. Okay, and click there, click, click. Okay, then finish. Nothing is here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.